The word contribute is a powerful verb that emphasizes the act of giving or adding something to a larger purpose. Whether you're writing an academic paper or having a casual conversation, understanding how to use contribute effectively can enhance your communication skills. Contribute comes from the Latin word contribuere, which combines com meaning together and tribuere meaning to assign. In essence, it means to give or add something to a common goal, group effort, or cause. This versatile verb has several forms, including contribute, contributed, contributing, and contributes. When using contribute in sentences, you have various structures to choose from. In a simple sentence, you might say she contributes to the community by volunteering at the shelter. For a compound sentence, try he donated to the charity, and he also contributed his time to organize events. In a complex sentence, you could say, although she was busy, she contributed her skills to the project. Contribute often pairs with certain words and phrases. Some common collocations include contribute to a cause, contribute significantly, contribute ideas, contribute financially, and contribute skills. Here are a few examples of how to use contribute in sentences. His work contributed to the success of the company. They contribute to environmental preservation by recycling. This book has contributed greatly to the study of history. When using contribute in your own sentences, keep these tips in mind. Always clearly identify the subject that is contributing. Follow contribute with a preposition like to or towards for accuracy. And to avoid repetition, consider using synonyms such as donate, offer, or support. Understanding how to use contribute effectively can significantly improve your English language skills. By incorporating this versatile verb into your vocabulary, you'll be able to express ideas of giving, offering, and collaboration more precisely and eloquently.